Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your baby girl Faith Alobo. On this channel, I'm going to teach you guys how to make wig ventilation. And in this wig ventilation, don't think that it's hard because if people hear that kind of name, they'll think that it's something big or something hard that will take them the whole day before doing it. It will not take you a long period of time before you know it. It can take you 3 days, 2 days, 4 days, depending how you put your mind. You know, anything you are doing in this life must put your mind first to know what you are doing. So in this week ventilation, I'm going to show you step by step what we use to make the wig ventilation. You get? So today just all about introduction because some of us don't know what and what we use on it. So I'm going to show you what and what to use. Maybe on our next video, I will be teaching you guys how to start making it and also closure. But let's finish the ventilation first because some people call it a lot of names. Some people call it fullest, other names that people will call. Like if you go to saloon now, we hear series of names that people called, but all doesn't matter, sure. But what I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to show you guys what and what you use by making the wig ventilation. You get? First, you're going to use this one. This is, people call it a lot of names. Yes, I don't know what you call it because most of us as lady women, you go to salon, we see this kind of thing in salon. I don't know. People call it head, people call it ventilation head, many things done baby, but I don't know. You can put it in comment section there, press it there. You can put it there so that you at least will teach most of us that don't know the name. Um other step, you have this because you see this thing, you can use it in many styles you want to use this for. Like you use it in your all back series of hairstyle, then you just put it like this on the baby's head. After putting it, you need this one. After the baby head, you need this one. After this one, then you need this pin. It's very, very important. Without this pin, you are going nowhere with it. You must buy this pin. And also for this thing now to stand well on this baby head, you buy this pin. You buy this pin too. Then use this pin like this now to hold it by this side. Then you hold this one also by this side too. Then you hold it here. You hold it here. My pin are not much here, sure, but I have few pin here to show you guys. This pin is the best. I cannot say it's the best, but this is the pin I use on my own. I'll pin it here too. You can see how it is holding now. And some people buy this pin too. You know, this pin is disturbed a lot. If you have this pin, you know what I'm talking about. For people that are into it already, they use this pin now to hold it at the front here too. That is what I have for you guys today. Just come follow me on my next video